What if collecting testimonials was no longer messy, inconsistent, or even worse, completely forgotten? In part 1, we built the foundation, a smart system to collect and organize testimonials with Tally, Notion, and Make. If you haven't seen part 1 yet, you can watch it by clicking the video description. It's the perfect place to start. But this time, we're not building. This time, we implement. We start from a pre-built template, one that's been tested, refined, and optimized. You'll learn how to adapt it to your needs, add your own tags, filters, languages, campaigns. Because a testimonial is only powerful if you can find it, exactly when you need it. So welcome to part 2, Amplify and Deploy. You're not just getting a Notion template, you're unlocking a complete testimonial system built to collect, organize, and deploy real client feedback with zero chaos. The pack includes 3 assets. 1, a customizable Notion database. 2, a Tally form to collect feedback elegantly. 3, and a Make automation to connect everything without lifting a finger. Good news, to implement this system, you won't need any premium or paid accounts. Notion, Tally, and Make all offer the features required for this setup completely free. All you need is a standard Gmail account, personal or professional, to connect everything seamlessly. No subscriptions, no hidden costs. Just plug in your tools and start using the system instantly. Before starting the implementation, make sure you are logged into all 3 tools at the same time in your browser. Let's start with the Notion implementation from the template pack, where the link is available in the video description. Before to start the Notion database implementation, make sure you are signed and logged into your Notion free account, and normally you should see a screen like this. Let's start with the Notion implementation from the template pack, where the link is available in the video description. Step 1. Click the link to open the Notion template in your browser. Step 2. In the top right corner, click the copy icon. Step 3. A pop-up will ask you to add the template to your workspace. Select your personal workspace and click Add. Step 4. You now have your own private version of this Notion database. Step 5. Open the duplicated Notion template. Step 6. In the top right corner, click on the 3 dots menu and scroll down and click on Connections. Step 7. In the search bar, type Make. Click on Make, then confirm the integration. Let's explore the heart of this system, the Notion testimonial database. Each column was carefully designed to give you the right feedback at the right moment for the right audience. It starts simple, the name of the client, but don't underestimate this. Pairing a name with a strong quote instantly increases trust and authenticity. This is the actual feedback. Unedited, raw, or slightly polished, stored in long format, ready to be reused as is or broken into snippets for visuals, social proof, or sales copy. Tag your testimonial with the related offer. You'll be able to filter and say, "Show me all testimonials about my workshop access product." Pure targeting power. Where did the testimonial come from? WhatsApp, Instagram, email, etc. This gives you both traceability and insight into your best performing channels. Text, screenshot, audio, video. Each type has its strength. Text fits all formats. Audio brings emotion. Screenshot builds instant trust. This is gold. Rate how persuasive each testimonial is. It helps you surface the most impactful proof when it matters most. Use it for internal context. Example, where it was used before, or to brief your team. Helps maintain clarity as your system grows. Link each testimonial to a campaign, like Black Friday 2025 or LinkedIn launch email. Now you know what worked and when. Tag each testimonial as to review, approved, or rejected. This brings instant clarity and fits naturally into your workflow. Now here's where your rational brain says, how do I make this manageable? With filters and views. In just one click, you can pull up testimonials by product, by campaign, by language, or by status, like to review, to be used, or even the absolute top 10. Need to showcase your most persuasive testimonials? Filter by score. Want to see only testimonials not used yet? There's a view for that. Each filter and view saves you time, focus, and gives you instant clarity. Need to customize the database for your own use? Just click the column header. You can change the property type from text to multi-select, rename the column, or delete it entirely. For predefined values like source or category, just edit the options in the drop-down. Add new ones. Remove what you don't need, make it yours. Want a new perspective? Create a new view with just a click. Filtered by product, use case, or any field. You can duplicate an existing one, rename it, or change its layout entirely. Every team, every launch, every campaign gets its own clean slice of feedback. Some of the columns weren't shown in detail during this video, but don't worry, they're all fully included and explained in the template, and even if you don't see them on screen, each one is documented clearly in the dedicated documentation page. You can explore everything by clicking the link in the description below. This isn't a list of praise, it's a strategic proof management system, built to grow your credibility, validate your offers, and boost conversions. Now, we will implement the tally form template. Step 1. Before clicking the tally link, make sure you're signed and logged into your free tally account. Step 2. Now, click on the tally link in the template pack. Once the form opens, you should see a blue button in the top right corner that says, Use this template. Step 3. Click on it. This will add a copy of the form to your own tally workspace, then you can publish it. To keep in mind, without publishing, the form won't be accessible via a web link and can't be used in automations. Step 4. Open your duplicated form, go to the Share tab and copy the available link. Paste it into your browser to view the final version of your form. This link is the link you will send to your clients for collecting feedbacks. Now let's discover in detail the testimonial submission form that powers the entire Notion database we've explored. At the top, a clear message invites your clients to contribute, while reminding them that their words might be featured in landing pages or product launches. Let's walk through each field and see how this form was thoughtfully designed to collect only the essential information. Then, which product or service are you talking about? A multi-select list to help you tag the testimonial with precision. First, what is your name? A simple required field to identify the author of the testimonial. Whether it's a digital product, a workshop, or even a Notion guide, your clients can select one or several options. Then comes the core. Write your testimonial, a long text field that leaves room for genuine, expressive feedback. Now, to understand how this testimonial reached you, the form asks, where did you receive this testimonial form? Again, it's a multi-select Instagram, email, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, or even via a direct form. This helps classify responses by source later in Notion, allowing for better segmentation. At the bottom, and you might not have noticed, there's a hidden field that automatically tags the campaign name. Here, it says Black Friday 2025. You don't need to ask the user to fill it, and you can change it anytime depending on your current campaign. This keeps your Notion database perfectly organized without overwhelming the user. In short, this form is not just about collecting words, it's about collecting usable data. It ensures every testimonial is tagged, filtered, and ready to be used with precision in your marketing workflows. Now that you've learned how to implement a tally form template, what if you could fully tailor it to your brand and audience? The first video, where the link is available in the video description, shows you how to create your own testimonial form and turn it into a conversion tool. But if you just want to use this template as a starting point to make yours, we've included a full customization guide right inside the template pack. In this part of the video, you'll learn how to create a make scenario that automatically sends responses from a tally form directly into a Notion database. This saves you time, avoids manual copy-paste, and helps keep your testimonials organized. The automation will trigger every time someone submits a tally form. It will then create a new entry in Notion with the form answers. You only need one scenario with 2 modules. From your Make dashboard, click the Create a New Scenario button in the top right corner. This will open an empty canvas where you can build your automation. Click the plus icon in the center of the canvas. In the search bar, type Tally and select the Tally app. Then choose the module Watch New Responses. This tells Make to listen for new submissions. Make will ask you to connect your Tally account. Click Add, then Authorize, and log into Tally if necessary. Choose the form you want to use. In this case, we selected the Testimonial Submission form. Click Run Once in the bottom left. Then submit a test response to your Tally form. Make will display the form fields it received, including values like name, testimonial, service mentioned, and form origin. Click the plus icon next to the Tally module, search for Notion, then select the module Create a Database item. This lets you send the data into a Notion table. Click Add, log into Notion, and authorize access. Select the correct database. You'll now see a list of columns to map data into. For each Notion column, name, service, testimonial, source, map the corresponding field from Tally. Use dynamic fields, not fixed text. Start with the name field in Notion. Here, you'll select the Tally question. What is your name? Next, for the product field, choose which product or service are you talking about. Then, map the testimonial field to write your testimonial. For the source field, select where did you receive this testimonial form? And finally, for the channel or campaign field, don't map it dynamically. Instead, enter the fixed value, Black Friday 2025, written out in full. Once that's done, your data will flow seamlessly from Tally to Notion every time someone submits the form. Click Run once again and submit a new response via Tally. If the setup is correct, a new entry will instantly appear in Notion with all fields filled. Awesome! Your setup is complete. You can now start collecting client feedback automatically with zero manual work. Once your test works, click Save. Then click Scenario in the top left and then switch it on of your scenario. This activates your scenario. It will now check for new responses regularly, usually every 15 minutes on the free plan. If you prefer written instructions over video, a full connection guide is included in your template pack, making setup easy, clear, and risk-free. Now that your automated feedback collection system is ready, let's test it in a real-world scenario. We'll send an email that invites someone to share their feedback. Once the recipient opens the email, they'll click the link, complete the form, and their responses will flow directly into your Notion database, instantly and effortlessly. This Tally link can be sent from any platform: Gmail, Instagram, X, WhatsApp, or LinkedIn. Let's imagine we've just received the email. We open it, click on the feedback link, and land directly on the Tally form. We fill in our name, select the product or service, write our testimonial, and choose how we receive the form. Once submitted, the automation takes over. The data is instantly added to your Notion dashboard, ready for use. This entire process can run from any email platform, making it perfect for newsletters, support follow-ups, or post-purchase requests. Once the feedback is collected, you can choose exactly when to publish it on social media. Potential customers trust reviews more than anything else. In the first video, where the link is available in the video description, you've learned how to build a fully automated feedback collection system, a powerful tool that works for you around the clock. And in this second video, you're discovering how to implement a customizable template, a strong, structured starting point you can adapt to fit your business, your clients, and your style. Together, these two pieces give you more than a process. They give you a system designed to grow with you. If you enjoyed the solution, you'll find the link to the full template in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. More powerful automation workflows are coming soon.